Now that we've established a vision for the project, we are next going to create a checklist of things that must appear in your video. It can be as simple as including an interview with the Vice President of Human Resources. It can also be as unusual as including a plush moose and a 1976 Gran Torino because they're part of the company's story. This is a good list to make up front to make sure all of these things are included in the ideas and initial script of your video content. Later on in the process, it can be awkward if not impossible to wedge in something that wasn't taken into account in the beginning. This checklist also helps identify the communication objectives of the project. Based on what is listed, it creates a sense of how a video will look. It also starts a list of logistics for the producers to make sure everything and everyone we need are part of the production. Your checklist can also be prioritized into must-haves, nice-to-haves, and ideas. For example, you must have clips of your CEO talking about and accepting an award for environmentally sustainable tourism. It would be nice to have contextual footage of your CEO on location, and one idea to feature the location is to commission a drone shot. Does this list not already give you a sense of how this video project will come together? In the next video, we will talk about what you want people to think, feel, and most importantly, do after watching your video.